Unraveling the meaning of counsel. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly used yet occasionally misunderstood word in the English language, counsel. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it correctly. Counsel is a versatile word in English and can be used both as a noun and a verb. At its core, it relates to advice, guidance, or direction. Let's break it down. As a noun, 1. Advice. She gave me some wise counsel about my career choices. 2. A lawyer or a group of lawyers. The defendant has hired a new counsel for the upcoming trial. As a verb, 1. To advise. The teacher counseled the student on the importance of hard work. 2. To recommend a course of action. He was counseled to take a few days off work for his well-being. Understanding how counsel is used in everyday phrases can give deeper insights into its meaning. 1. Take someone's counsel. This means to listen to and act upon someone's advice. Example: I took her counsel and applied for the job. 2. Keep one's own counsel. This means to keep one's thoughts or plans private. Example: she decided to keep her own counsel about her future plans. 3. In counsel with. Consulting with someone about something. Example: he was in counsel with his advisors before making the decision. 1. Context is key. Ensure you know whether you're using counsel as a noun or verb. The context will often provide clues. 2. Don't confuse with counsel. Remember, counsel relates to advice or lawyers, while counsel refers to an assembly or group making decisions. 3. Practice. Like any word, the more you use counsel in your conversations or writings, the more comfortable you'll become with it. And there we have it. The word counsel is not just about advice. It can also refer to lawyers or even the act of advising someone. It's a versatile word that can enrich your English vocabulary. We hope you found this explainer helpful, and remember, keep practicing and always seek counsel when in doubt. Until next time, happy learning!